we have all of our libraries in place, we can create our uploader. So to do that, start on the command line and just type in Rails G uploader photo. And what that's going to do is create a file, place it in the uploaders directory called photo uploader. And if we want to take a look at that, go into app, uploaders, and now we have photo uploader. And you can see that it gives some default text in here. In the next episode, we're actually going to be getting rid of all of this and putting in our own custom implementation that will work with CarrierWave and with AWS and connect that API and do all the things that we want it to do. Just to give you an idea of how it works by default, you have your photo uploader class, which inherits from CarrierWave. And so it already knows about that we are using CarrierWave because we built in the library. And when we did our generator, that's what it automatically went to by default. However, for storage, it tries to use file, which means it would try to save it into the local file system here, which is not what we want. You can set up your storage directory, which it takes in, creates a uploads directory, and then you can upload everything right here. But like we mentioned, that's a bad way of doing it, just because it'd make your app incredibly large and definitely not something that you'd want to do. Not when you have things like AWS that handle all of it for you and give you some really nice built-in things such as being able to manage caching, having a full content delivery network, really helping with performance, and also making sure people can't go and rip off your images, because that's something that the CDN provides. It provides a temporary image that if people come and try to steal it and use your bandwidth, it'll actually stop them from doing that. And so those are all the items that are included with the basic photo uploader. I'm going to delete all of these, and in the next episode we're actually going to go and replace it with our own custom implementation.